Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 3 to the power of 80 over 3 plus 3 to the power of 70 over 3 over 3 to the power of 65 over 3 and plus 3 to the power of 25 minus 1 times 3 to the power of 10 over 3 plus 3 to the power of 5 over 3 plus 1 to find the value of this equation. So in here, we can write this as 80 over 3 as 5 times 16 over 3, right? So in here, write 3 to the power of 16 times 5 over 3, right? 16 times 5 is 80, and 80 over 3 is equal to this, and plus 3 to the power of 70 over 3, we can write this as 14 times 5 over 3 over this 65, we can write this as 3 to the power of 13 times 5 over 3 and plus 3 to the power of 25. 25, we can write this as 75 over 3, right? And here, 25 is equal to 75 over 3. And we can write this 75 as 15 times 5 over 3, right? So it will be 3 to the power of 15 times 5 over 3. And minus this 1. And in here, 3 to the power of 10 over 3, we can write this as 3 to the power of 2 times 5 over 3, and plus this 3 to the power of 5 over 3 plus 1. So, if we have from exponential rule in here, if we have a to the power of m times n, we can write this as a to the power of m to the power of n. So, in here, we can write this as 3 to the power of 5 over 3 times 16. Also, for this, 3 to the power of 5 over 3 to the power of 14. And here, it will be 3 to the power of 5 over 3 to the power of 13 and plus 3 to the power of 5 over 3 to the power of 15 and minus 1. And for this, it will be 3 to the power of 5 over 3 to the power of 2 and plus 3 to the power of 5 over 3 and plus 1. So 3 to the power of 5 over 3 is common. So we let x is equal to 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 5 over 3. So we substitute these to this equation. So it will be 3 to the power of 5 over 3 is x, so it will be x to the power of 16 plus x to the power of 14 over x to the power of 13 plus x to the power of 15 minus 1 and times, in here it will be x to the power of 2, so x square and plus x, right, 3 to the power of 5 over 3 and plus 1. So in here, for this numerator, we factor x to the power of 14, so it will be x to the power of 14, and this divided by this, it will be x square, and this divided by this, it will be 1. And for denominator, we factor x to power of 13. It will be this divided by this is 1, and this divided by this is x squared minus 1 and times this x squared plus x plus 1. In here, we have 1 plus x squared, and in here we have 1 plus x squared, so this will cancel this, and x to power of 14 will cancel this x to power of 13, and in here we have x, right? So it will be, in here, this is equal to x minus 1 and times x squared plus x plus 1. And this is in the form of x cube minus 1 cube, right? And this is equal to x cube, and 1 cube is 1 minus 1. And from here, x is equal to 3 to power of 5 over 3. So we recall x is equal to 3 to power of 5 over 3. So we substitute this 3 to power of 5 over 3 in this equation, so it will be x cubed minus 1 is equal to 3 to power of 5 over 3 to power of this 3 minus 1. And from here, this is equal to, this 3 will cancel this, it will be 3 to power of 5 minus 1. And 3 to power of 5 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 and times 3, and minus 1. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 3 is 9, and it will be 9 times 9 is 81 times 3 and minus 1, and it will be 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 8 is 24, and minus 1, and this is equal to 242, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.